Work with tax return delivery. After you send a tax return delivery, you can track its progress and make updates as needed. All your tax return deliveries appear in one central location where you can monitor status, edit details, or resend packages to clients. Each delivery shows its current stage. Draft means you've created it but haven't sent it yet. Sent for review indicates the client received it but hasn't reviewed it. Completed confirms they've completed all steps. For deliveries requiring signatures, you'll see pending signature with a count of missing signatures. If you've attached an invoice, the status shows unpaid or overdue until the client completes payment, then changes to paid. You can edit most sections of a tax return delivery even after sending it. Any changes you make automatically become visible to the client, so they always see the most current information. Changes to the page groups and introduction save automatically as you work. Just make your edits and they're immediately updated. For the tax summary or invoice sections, make your changes and save them when you're finished. If you need to remove an invoice attachment, just click the X icon next to the amount in the invoice section. If a signature doesn't go as planned, a client signs outside TaxDome, fails verification, or needs their details updated, fix it right on the tax return delivery page. You can edit the request before anyone signs, mark it as signed if they did it on paper, or cancel it without the client ever knowing. If they failed identity verification twice, you can also reset KBA and they get another try. From the same menu, you can also download the return, print it, or view its full history. When you no longer need a tax return delivery, you can delete it. The original file moves to trash. TaxDome notifies you when clients review and sign their tax returns. These notifications appear in your Inbox Plus with a direct link to view the status, whether they viewed the return, signed documents, or made payments.